Good evening, Executive Director Sir, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Chief Guest, my teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Youha Jamthianhoih from Class 8C, and today I'm going to be singing a song called God Bless the Broken Road by Rascal Flatts for the glory of God. Wipe my brow and kept pushing through, but I couldn't see how every sign pointed straight to you. That every long lost dream led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like golden stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God blessed a broken road that led me straight to you. I think about the years I've spent just passing through. I'd like to have the time I lost and give it back to you, but you just smile and take my hand. You've been here, you understand, and it's all part of a grander plan that is coming true. That every long lost dream led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like golden stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God blessed a broken road that led me straight to you. Now I'm just rolling home into my lover's arms. This much I know is true, that God blessed a broken road that led me straight to you. That God blessed a broken road that led me straight to you. To God be the glory, thank you.